1. The plural of tooth is A. Tooths, B. Teeth, C. Toothies. 2. Antonym of generous, A. Selfish, B. Kind, C. Polite. 3. He usually dash his homework after dinner. A. Does, B. Do, C. Did. 4. Synonym of tiny, A. Huge, B. Little, C. Tall. 'They dash late last night. A. Arrive, B. Arrived, C. Arriving. 'Choose the correct spelling. A. Beautiful, B. Beautiful, C. Beautiful. 'I've lived here 5 years. A. Since, B. For, C. From. 'What is the noun in this sentence? She writes neatly. A. Writes, B. Neatly, C. She. 'The opposite of fast, A. Rapid, B. Quick, C. Slow. 'Which word is an adjective? A. Quickly, B. Happy, C. Smile. 'Let the cat out of the bag means, A. Set animals free, B. Reveal a secret, C. Buy a cat. 'I dash watching a movie. A. Is, B. Am, C. Are. 'Antonym of love, A. Like, B. Hate, C. Care. 'He dash a lot of books. A. Has, B. Have, C. Having. 'Synonym of begin, A. Start, B. End, C. Stop. 'The opposite of rich, A. Poor, B. Wealthy, C. Loaded. Choose the correct sentence. A. He go to work. B. He goes to work. C. He going to work. The baby is sleeping. The bed. A. On. B. Under. C. At. Once in a blue moon means A. Never. B. Frequently. C. Rarely. What is the past tense of speak? A. Spoke. B. Speaking. C. Speaked. Synonym of friendly. A. Rude. B. Kind. C. Hostile. She dash a new dress for the party. A. Bought. B. Buy. C. Buys. What is the plural of goose? A. Gooses. B. Geese. C. Goose. Antonym of truth. A. Honesty. B. Fact. C. Lie. I dash go to school on Sundays. A. Don't. B. Doesn't. C. Didn't. What is a synonym for quiet? A. Silent. B. Loud. C. Noisy. She is afraid. Spiders. A. Of. B. From. C. With. Choose the correct spelling. A. Achieve. B. Achieve. C. Achieve. Which one is a preposition? A. Slowly. B. Behind. C. Bravely. They dash already eaten. A. Have. B. Has. C. Had. Bend over backwards means A. Try very hard. B. Exercise. C. Hurt yourself. What is the noun in books are useful? A. Are. B. Useful. C. Books. The car is parked dash the building. A. Between B, beside C, among. He dashed to school every day. A. Walk B, walks C, walked. Antonym of hardworking, A. Lazy, B. Clever, C. Honest. I have not finished my work dash. A. Yet B. Still C. Ever. Which one is a conjunction? A. And B, after C, ing. Choose the correct question. A. What do you doing? B. What are you do? C. What are you doing? Synonym of fast. A. Slow. B. Quick. C. Weak. Which is a compound word? A. Butterfly. B. Fly. C. Butter. The boys dash playing cricket now. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. She dash breakfast every morning. A. Eat. B. Eats. C. Eating. The opposite of friend. A. Relative. B. Enemy. C. Neighbor. It's raining cats and dogs means, A. Light rain. B. Heavy rain. C. Pet storm. The dash is shining brightly. A. Sun. B. Sun. C. Soon. The teacher asked us to keep dash. A. Silent. B. Silence. C. Silently. I dashed to the park yesterday. A. Go. B. Went. C. Going. Antonym of polite. A. Kind. B. Rude. C. Humble. He dash in the library at the moment. A is B, R, C, B. Synonym of answer: A, question, B, reply, C, silence.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.